Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to blur your background in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. You need to be inside a meeting to blur your background. So tap New Meeting to start one or join to enter meeting with the meeting ID. Just tap on New Meeting, tap on Start Meeting. After that, tap on Start. Once you are in the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on More. Here you can see an options More, tap on it and tap on Background and Effects. In the menu that pops up, tap on Blur. Your background will now appear blurred while your face stays clear. This helps keep your space private and looks more professional. After selecting blur, tap the X or back arrow to return your meeting. And that's it. You have just learned how to blur your background in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.